Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Port Colborne, Ontario. Today we're taking a drive along Lake Shore Road, starting from Northland Point and heading toward Reebs Bay Beach. As we travel, you'll see the calm beauty of Lake Erie on one side and the peaceful countryside on the other. Port Colborne began as a small settlement called Gravelly Bay in the early 1830s. It grew quickly after the Welland Canal reached Lake Erie in 1833. The town was later named after Sir John Colborne, who was the Lieutenant Governor of Upper Canada at the time. The canal played a big role in the town's growth, helping ships move between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Lake Shore Road offers lovely views of the lake and leads us through quiet neighborhoods and open spaces. It's a favorite route for both locals and visitors who enjoy the scenic drive. In the late 1800s, many people from the southern United States built summer homes here, especially along the lake shore. Some of these homes still stand today, adding to the town's charm. Our journey ends at Reebs Bay Beach, a peaceful spot with soft sand and clear water. It's a great place to relax, have a picnic, or just enjoy the view. The beach is one of the many natural treasures in Port Colborne. Thanks for joining us on this drive along Lake Shore Road in Port Colborne, Ontario. Thanks for watching!